so you poured half of my coffee out.
Oh, I was supposed to do that?
3, 2, 1.
What did you do?
3, 2, 1.
I just added another spoon of coffee.
He makes me coffee in the morning.
Get out.
Say good morning. Because you made it too sweet. So you pour half of it out, and then what you do is you add a spoonful. In the car again. Got a few places to go to. I've got to send a Amazon package back. I have never been to this spot before. Wow. So I am here now at the Amazon place, and apparently this is the actual Amazon hub. It's not one of those third-party places where you can return things. That's crazy. They must have lots of returns going on that they're just like, you know what? Just return it here to the Amazon store. I got my husband. Hi, welcome home.
Oh, I wonder what you were doing. Love you.
Love you. I don't want to get you sick just in case.
Hi.
Oh, you. Hunter.
Oh, you trying to get killed?
Hunter, come here.
Get kissed?
Give Mama a kiss.
You can't get killed.
Hi. Are you unloading Daddy's backpack?
Yeah.
What are those?
Get that one.
Oh, it's so funny.
You see that one? Get that one for Daddy.
What is that?
Say bye to me. Free one for a year. Hell not bad. Shit, you don't have me.
For all the 2022.
For all 22, as long as that's on there, I can get it free.
Yeah, so it depends on the store though. If they show it to us, we'll just make it. But you're supposed to buy something and then you get one for free. But it's
Metal is a conductor of temperature, which means that if it's hot, then the metal will be hot. And if it's cold, the metal will be cold. And if it's warm, the metal will be warm. And I know this because of science, and I also got a 90% on the test.
Oh my gosh, they have a ring light at Sam's Club for $50. What does it come with? Ooh. I'm so exhausted. I just came from Sam's Club, and well, first of all, I ran out of wrapping paper. So now I had to go get some more wrapping paper. I didn't think I was out. I don't want to open up my fake presents and use those fake boxes because those have wrapping paper around them. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't want to buy the cheap ones because you get like very little bits. So I don't know. I forgot to look on Amazon. I don't know. Maybe I'll call Costco or something like that. Because,
is there a Nordstrom there, Vicky?
Yes, there is a Nordstrom's here.
So what they've been doing, Nordstrom has these bags, just so you know, they're like big sacks.
Mm-hmm.
Like, you know, like big,
Went to Target and also the dollar store. Look at this cute little book. It's personalized. Hunter's name to Hunter has his name, and then he can also write things on the inside somewhere. So cute. I wonder if he knows. And of course, the dollar store. They've got the cheapest like gift bags, tissue paper, gift cards. Since people usually just throw them away anyway, you know? Yesterday I made this Asian salad and I didn't film it. And so today I'm going to film it because it's kind of interesting. You're gonna need like a flat tray. You're gonna need a cucumber, tomato, and onion, and meat of your choice, and lettuce. What I'm gonna do is dry out the lettuce first. She's all glammed up. You guys can't hear her because she's in my ear. so far. Thinly slice your cucumbers. Thinly slice your onions. And same with your tomatoes. Now cut your meat up finely. I'm not going to record it because some people get grossed out when you cut raw meat. So deuces. And now I'm gonna make some oysters. Woo. Adele, her beautiful voice, and look at her body. Her weight loss came by accident.
Right. Oh, her weight loss came.
Yeah.
What did it mean?
Because of her. Peekaboo. Say hi, guys. No crying, because you're a big boy, okay? Let me kiss. I put oysters separately. And here is what my plate looks like. So it's mixed with oysters and chicken.
Yum. Oh. Cheese. Cheese. Cheese.
Hunter's two.
What, two?
Yes. What's the matter? What? Oh, this one came first.
Ta-da! Ta-da!
Good job.
So good. Oh my gosh, this proposal was so cute. Her earrings are Saturn.